So, pearwood.com is basically an online store offering products that can look pretty attractive, especially with the discounts and polished presentation. But before you place an order, there are a few things I'd want to check. The biggest question is whether the products actually match the photos and descriptions. With lesser-known online stores, quality, sizing, shipping times, and customer service can sometimes be very different from what the website suggests. I'd also pay close attention to the return and refund policy. If you're ordering internationally, sending something back could potentially be complicated or expensive, especially if the product isn't what you expected. So, is pearwood.com a scam? I wouldn't automatically make that claim without stronger evidence, but I also wouldn't trust the marketing alone. Check independent customer reviews, company information, payment protection, and shipping details before buying. Overall, the products may look tempting, but I'd do some research first and make sure you're comfortable with the risks before placing an order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.